Welcome to our Betmgm tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to cancel a withdrawal on this popular gaming platform. Betmgm offers a variety of exciting features and a user-friendly experience. First, let's go over the withdrawal process. Betmgm allows you to withdraw funds easily, but sometimes you may need to cancel those requests. There are several reasons you might want to cancel a withdrawal. Maybe you reconsidered your request, or perhaps you've seen a new betting opportunity you want to take advantage of. Let's navigate to your account. Tap on the profile icon, and then select Withdrawals from the menu. This will show you your pending requests. From the Withdrawals section, you will find a list of your requests. This is where you can take action on your pending transactions. Now, to cancel a withdrawal, simply tap on the request you wish to cancel, then press the I cancel button. Confirm your choice, and the request will be cancelled. Once you have cancelled, you will receive a confirmation message. Be sure to check your withdrawal history afterward to confirm that it's been cancelled successfully. To manage your account better, set reminders for your withdrawals. Keeping track of your requests can prevent confusion and ensure you utilize your funds wisely. In summary, we've covered the steps to cancel a withdrawal on Betmgm. Always remember to keep an eye on your account for any changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Betmgm tips. Visit the Betmgm site for more guides and updates.